Ghana is full as 500 Black Americans step out to learn about the Ghanaian culture and also experience the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park for the first time. Trust me, guys, they are really doing good.
It's been wonderful. The people are very welcoming here. The food I had has been amazing.
What food did you eat?
Oh, I went to a restaurant called Buku. I had a fish steak with steamed vegetables, and I had a fried plantain. It was a little good, like sweet and spicy. So it was good for me. I enjoyed it. I learning the language, so I've learned several words, like itising.
Itising.
Machi, maha, majo, midasi. What is it? Aquaba? Aquaba. See, I'm learning the language, so this has been beautiful.
I love it. My name is Africa, so just to be here in Ghana and my first time in the motherland.
Your first time?
Great. Yes.
Oh wow.
Yes.
In Aquaba.
Aquaba.
Medase. Good.
Yeah. Yes.
This can only happen in Ghana. Yes, only in Ghana you can see this kind of things happening and nowhere else. Guys, I know you can't wait to see their excitement experiencing the city of Accra for the very first time. Charlie, let's get right into the video. But before we watch, I would love to appreciate my returning subscribers. Thank you so very much for always clicking in. And if you're new here, my name is Delphina. I'm super excited returning back to you. Please don't make it your last by subscribing to the channel, like this video and share the video. Also do all to press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. Guys, let's get right into it. And please, at the end of it, kindly drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's watch.
Welcome. Today we're going to give you an wonderful update on how this Americans visited Ghana. And precisely they visited Kwame Nkrumah Museum. As you can see, wow, right over here. We're going to talk to some of them about what they really heard about Kwame Nkrumah. Wow. So there's it. So a lot of them are here. Photographer. Good.
I forgot what I was supposed to say, but
You see Aquaba? Yes. So we are right here just to see how they are. Oh, that's hello. How are you doing? So we're gonna talk to some of them to see the perception that they had right over here when just landing in Ghana, and what they have to say about the feeling when they got here in Ghana. So that's Kwame Nkrumah, the statue of Kwame Nkrumah. Right here, the statue of Kwame Nkrumah. Hello, can I speak to you? We wanted to just share experience, coming to Kwame Nkrumah and the experience, within Ghana talk.
Oh no, I'm scared to talk.
Oh, a little bit.
Somebody else.
Okay. Let me talk to you, right? Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. I want you to tell me, share your experience when you got here in Ghana.
It's been wonderful. The people are very welcoming here. The food I had has been amazing.
What food did you eat?
Oh, I went to a restaurant called Buku. I had a fish steak with steamed vegetables, and I had a fried plantain. It was a little good, like sweet and spicy. So it was good for me. I enjoyed it. I learning the language, so I've learned several words, like itising. Machi, maha, majo, midasi. What is it? Aquaba. See, I'm learning the language, so this has been beautiful.
Wow.
Yes.
What did you hear about Ghana that when you go here, it really bust your mind? What did you hear about Ghana? That way you came here, it wasn't what you expected or what you heard about.
A lot of people are calling it like the return home. It was the opportunity to land on the African soil. So this gave me an opportunity to do that. But I understand that you were the first free country, so a lot of Americans live here. So you have a lot of expats and people like that here. So I just wanted to come and check it out.
Wow, it's your first time to be in Ghana?
It's my first time in Ghana and my first time to touch the soil in the continent of Africa.
So are you going to say that you'll be a Ghanaian very soon?
Did I?
Will you be a Ghanaian?
I don't know. It's still the verdict's out. It's only been here 24 hours.
Oh, good.
So in 24 hours, that's what I've experienced and learned in 24 hours.
All right, that's good.
Thank you.
Welcome, Aquaba.
Medasi.
All right. So that's some of the experience that people are getting when they got to Ghana right here. We are right here just, letting get a feeling. Let me talk to you. How are you doing?
Hello, hi, how are you?
I'm good. How's the experience in Ghana?
It's wonderful. I love it. My name is Africa. So just to be here in Ghana and my first time in the motherland.
Your
is
first
great.
time?
Yes.
Oh wow.
Yes.
In Akwaba.
Akwaba.
Medase.
Medase.
Ah, good.
Yeah, yes.
What food did you enjoy in Ghana when you got here?
So far, we just went to Black Star Square, and that was really nice. And we took a group photo, and we had a really good time.
Have you eaten any of your local dishes?
No, we're going to have that this afternoon. We're going to try some of the local dishes here and have lunch.
What food you intend to enjoy?
Me personally, I'm Jamaican, so I prefer oxtail and curry chicken or curry goat, rice and peas. So that's my, food.
But for here we have banku, fufu, emutuo, gari.
I've had fufu and I've had jollof rice, and that's really good.
Jollof rice.
Yes.
So you have to taste jollof rice before you go.
Yes.
Because Ghana jollof is better than Nigeria jollof.
Okay.
I'll take it. It's a big debate on who has the best jollof rice,
Yeah,
right?
so-
So which one is it? Nigeria, is it Ghana?
So I'm a Ghanaian. I've eaten Ghanaian jollof, and I feel like that's the best.
Okay.
I don't know
I
of the
make
Nigeria.
sure that I get some of that too.
You have
Yes.
to.
We
Yes.
don't have it here today. Okay.
All right. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. So some of the experience, getting here in Ghana, it's so great. It's so great to talk to some of them. I want to just get the feeling, to be in Ghana and what they really heard about Ghana and what's, they are experiencing right over here in Ghana. Let's go down there and see. Let's talk to, let me talk to this man. Hello. Welcome to Ghana. How are you doing?
Doing great.
Are you Ghanaian?
No, sir. I'm from the States, like I said, from Illinois, United States.
United States. Okay.
Yes,
It's your
sir.
first time to be in Ghana?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wow. And how is the experience like? Tell me the experience.
I tell you what, it's really really nice. I'm liking it's a sense of seeing where we come from, at least the country that we come from, the continent that we come from, and it's a nice experience. I'm trying to get educated and learn something that firsthand, and I'm really enjoying myself seeing all the history that's connected with Ghana, and I'm looking forward to seeing more, while we're here. So it's beautiful.
Wow.
It's beautiful.
You hearing about Ghana, what was your perception when you were in the back in the States?
Well, back in, as far as being on with Ghana being on the west coast of Africa, I felt like that as far as when it comes to slavery, that they weren't landlocked, so they were more open to slavery, so they were more exposed to slavery. So I just couldn't wait to experience just being here and seeing it firsthand. So,
Have you enjoyed our local dish?
I'm sorry.
Have you enjoyed any of our local dish? Local food?
Oh, yes, very much. But I haven't actually been down to the markets, and I taste Ghanaian food, but I want to get a chance to. I've only been here a couple of days, so I'll be here about another 4 or 5 days, so I'll be able to experience more of it. I know about it. I just need to get a chance to experience it more.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Experience in Ghana is very great. We are right here to talk to some of them. We are sharing experience. We want them to just, feel Ghana, eat Ghana, wear Ghana, drink Ghana. Anything concerning Ghana, you should be so happy to just, have that experience, to just enjoy, the food and what you want to just, enjoy. Let me speak to you. Hello, can I speak to you? How are you doing?
Fine.
You're good.
Yeah.
It's your first time in Ghana?
No, it's my second time actually. Yes.
How was the experience like coming here, last year or the previous years? How was, the comparison of this year and last year?
Well, it was almost 20 years ago. I came for the 50th anniversary of the independence.
So we're here for the independence.
Yes,
And how was it like? Tell me that, back
It
then.
was wonderful. Like we went to a gala. It was so much fun, and seeing how much Ghana has developed, it's like amazing how much has changed since I was last here. So I'm just so excited that we could be here right now.
Very nice. Okay.
Could come back for this event.
Last year, when you came 20 years ago, what food did you enjoy much?
Oh, I love jollof.
Jollof rice.
Yeah.
You didn't enjoy the Nigerian jollof, right?
No, never Nigerian. Only Ghana jollof.
No, okay. Yeah, so meaning that Ghana jollof is better than Nigerian jollof.
Ghana jollof is better, of course.
Alright, thank you for your experience. Alright, this is some of the experience that people are getting when you just land here. Anytime you come to Ghana, please try to wear, something of Ghanaian culture. Anytime you come to Ghana, try to, enjoy the Ghanaian food. Try to visit, some of the, places that we have here in Ghana, so that you can just, be acquainted with, much information concerning our colonialism and also, our culture. We love Ghana, so let's, make it, a better place for us. We're right here. Yeah, we're going to, Cape Coast Castle next week. So after Cape Coast Castle next week, we're going to other locations. All right, so we are still experiencing Ghana. We are right here at Kwame Nkrumah Museum. For you to see Kwame Nkrumah, Museum, please visit Ghana, visit Africa, and visit us, for us to just let you experience the best shows, so you can just get it. All right, so that's it. Oh, wow, that's great. So learn about Ghana, learn a little bit about Ghana before you go. That's it. So we are enjoying. Some nice times. There's.
Don't make it too loud though.
They are having an exhibition over here. Let's see the exhibition that they're having over here. There's a lot of exhibition over here, so you can just come around and just purchase something. Where Ghana, yeah, where Ghana, so that you can read. So we have some African. You get what? What's that?
My piggy green.
Oh, that's beautiful. How are you doing? How is your experience in Ghana so far?
Oh, it's wonderful. I'm currently here in the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park, and I just purchased a beautiful handmade, aka African blouse, and I'm just inspired and empowered to be here. He was a great man, and it's just wonderful to be reconnected and aligned with Motherland.
Well, you already know where combination. Everything is African combination. Have you really enjoyed some of our local foods?
Not yet. I arrived yesterday, so I plan to go to some of your restaurants, but I'm staying at the Marriott, and it's a beautiful hotel, and the people are beautiful. And you are me, and I am you.
Ah, good. Have a nice day. All right, so these are some of the African stuff over here, whereby you can just purchase one. Anytime you come here, try to purchase something home. Try to purchase something home, so that you can just have a nice experience. It is a massive exhibition. You can see we have the African bees over here. Hi, how you doing? What do you sell? Tell us.
Okay, hello everybody. So this is Royal Afri Creations. We sell authentic Ghanaian made beads and bags made of raffia.
Oh, okay.
Very authentic, and African bags with African print cotton fabric. So you are all welcome to come and shop with us. We have great discount deals for you. Thank you, and see you soon.
That's good. So this is some of the African, we have a lot of Africans and stuff. So come around yourself. Please, hello. How you doing? How you doing? You're good, right? It's your first time to be in Ghana?
Yes.
What's the first time? Are you
Yes.
couples?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Big boss. Right there. All right. And how is the experience like? Tell me your experience in Ghana.
It's beautiful. I like the weather, even though it's hot, but it's still beautiful. So, and I love seeing all the beautiful looking people.
Wow. What's the experience?
I love it. It's just a welcoming country, and everyone is very friendly, and we're here to represent. So thank you for welcoming us.
What's the difference in your state, the state, and also the difference here? I can compare.
There's a lot of black people here. That's the biggest difference.
Compare your culture and our culture.
It's very similar.
I don't know. I mean, I think our culture comes from here, and I think that's a lot of the influences. But and there's also some American influence that's here too. So it's nice. It's very welcoming for sure.
Hearing about Ghana when you weren't here, what was the things that you were thinking about? How is Ghana is going to look?
I really didn't have any expectations, so then I had to start looking. You know what I mean? So, before I came, I knew that it was what we're seeing is exactly what I was seeing on like a video. So, it's very nice, very beautiful, very green. The people are welcoming, and so I mean, I'm seeing what I expected and more.
The food's good. Food's good.
Have you tasted our local foods?
I love the food.
What did you taste?
So we had some, I don't even remember what it was called last night, but it was good. It was spicy.
Yeah, it was more like an empanada. It was kind of like an empanada, but it was they call it a samosa, the beef samosa.
Oh,
Yeah,
Lovely,
yeah.
right?
It was
You should try eating banku. Oh, banku. Have you heard about banku?
Okay, no, I haven't. Where is it?
Banku. Banku is a very nice, dish.
Okay.
You should try that.
Okay.
Or ampesi yam.
Okay. Okay. We'll
Yam,
try.
Say it one more time. How does it sound?
Ampesi.
Ampasi?
Yes.
Yeah.
And banku.
And banku.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, we'll
All right,
try
so
it
let's
out.
try that.
All right. Akwaba.
All right.
Akwaba. Do you know akwaba?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
You
You
know-
got say.
okay.
You got say.
So
That's
you know
it, right? Yes.
What's akwaba?
Oh, Aquaba?
It means what? What does it mean?
Thank you. Welcome.
Welcome.
Yes,
That's good.
welcome.
You don't know. Okay.
No, so my response was be Madase.
Medase. All right.
Or
yeah.
you got say.
Yeah, so
Right?
yes, yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
All right, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
All right, have a nice day. All right, so I just met this wonderful couples over here. Trying to them say yes, we have some Ghanaian artifacts, some Ghanaian design shoes. Fatah fashions. Wow. Putting this Ghanaian clothing into artwork. Wow, this is beautiful. Hey, Nike, you should just do this. Nike, you should just do this.
Yes, sir.
Nike, you should just come for Fatah and just have a collaboration. Yes, Free the Youth, you have a collaboration. We want Fatah to have a collaboration. Getting this in the States, wow, this is crazy, man. It's beautiful. Hello. You can come for some nice shoes over here.
Let the Free the Youth to come and check Fatah fashion.
Yeah, Free the Youth to come and check Fatah fashions.
The Maya already passed my spots.
Who?
Or the Maya. He passed in my shop at our center. So I'm waiting for the Free the Youth to come so we can do something together to push the Ghana to the world.
Wow, this is really beautiful. This is beautiful.
Yes, sir. This is my
Hey.
Yes.
Wow, I'm really shocked.
Yes, sir.
I'm definitely shocked about this. This is crazy, man. Ghanaian doing this? Wow. Wow, this is nice. Charlie, come around. That's great. We right here just to have some experience and exhibition. Let's talk about art. Let's talk about something nice. Oh wow, this is beautiful. So there are exhibition going on over here. You can just pass by and just grab one for yourself. Right, just get one for yourself. I just love Ghana and I just want to just see what they can just do with it. Oh wow. So they're beautiful. All right, so they got this artwork over here. They got his artwork. Just look at it. They got a great style. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Thank you. Oh. Wow. So they have a lot of stuff here. You should just have this nice day. Want a picture?
Hello, how are you? Are you looking around?
Wow. Hello, you're drinking something, Ghanaian, right? How are you doing?
Yes, I'm great.
How is your experience in Ghana so far?
It's great. 22 years in.
Oh wow! Is it your first time?
I'm 22 years in.
22 years?
Yes, I'm 22 years in. I came in 2004. He's literally not listening to me. He's literally not listening to me. He's not believing that I just arrived on Delta or United, but actually I'm a Ghanaian. So
You're Ghanaian?
I've been here since 2004 and working in higher education since 2004.
Wow.
Yes.
How many show?
And this is my home.
Wow.
Yes, but I am a member of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated. My sister here also lives here. We didn't just come off the plane, no.
Oh, so you're here?
Yes, we are here.
Oh, so that's why you're
So
enjoying
maybe we're not interesting subjects for you again.
Oh no, not that. Because I'm just having a good time with everyone who comes here to tell me the experience in Ghana. So since you've been here for many years, tell me your experience in Ghana so far.
I mean, I love it. I can't imagine living anywhere else in the world. We are a hospitable people. We are a respectful people. I admire the traditions, the culture, and I can't imagine also raising my child and having my family anywhere else in the world, even though I was born in the United States of America. So this is the place to be.
Yeah, you should just come and have your do you have a house here?
Of course, I've been living here. I think I need to repeat again.
Wow.
I arrived 2004. In fact, prior to that, my first visit was 1999.
Oh.
Yes, where the first person I met of any stature in this country was Honorable J.J. Rawlings.
Whoa.
Yes.
No, we should just have a good time for a whole, a whole talk. Wow.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Ochina, that's it. Oh wow, this is crazy. I just met someone that came here so as early as 2004, and having a good time over here. I'm just shocked. So this is some of the experience that people are just telling me about coming to Africa, coming to Ghana as well to tour and also to have a good time. Let's go down there and see how they are just dancing to the rhythm of Africa, dancing to the rhythm. Wow, let's buy something. Let them buy something. Good. That's a great feeling.